Fact of the day, fact of the day. Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu, the Science of Game of Thrones, Volume 2. Today we're talking about two things. First of all, we're talking about dragons. How plausible are dragons? Was there any creature like dragons that have ever existed in terms of our history? The answer to that is yes. And the name of the creature is a Quetzalcoatlus. And this is a huge winged beast. 68 million years ago, around the time of the dinosaur, the archaeologists first found fossils in 1971. Had a wingspan of approximately 11 meters, about 36 feet, and so it was a huge flying creature. So in terms of that, tick that box. In terms of being able to breathe fire, it didn't breathe fire. And the nearest thing that we've got is something called a bombardier beetle. And bombardier beetle is a really tiny, lovely beetle. And what it does is it has a chamber, which is called an explosion chamber, an actual explosion chamber in its rear end, where it fires a jet of hot, noxious fluids. These fluids include hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, which obviously are not very nice at all, and use it for defense. They're so hot that they're close to the boiling temperature of water. So the explosion in its back end fires these out, and that's to help it defend itself. So that's as close to shooting out fireballs, though it's not fireballs. So we can maybe combine those two things, put a bit of fire in there, boom, we've got dragons. But that's a lot of genetic engineering that need to go on there. The second, if you haven't seen what happens between the mountain and Prince Oberyn, then you want to stop watching this now. Okay, good. Is it possible for a human being to crush another human being's skull? So the mountain said to be 8 foot tall, is said to be 190 kilograms of just pure solid muscle. Lots of research that goes in safety helmets has said that you need about 500 kilograms or 1,100 pounds of force to be able to crush a human skull. So that means even if the mountain was 500 kilograms and 90% of that was just his pure bicep muscle, he still wouldn't be able to crush Oberyn's skull. So unfortunately, that is not a thing that would be able to happen, which is good because we all love Oberyn. Well, I love Oberyn anyway. That is the Science of Game of Thrones Volume 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit like, please hit subscribe. Thanks for your time. Love you, bye. Love you, bye. Love you, bye. See you here next week for Volume 3.